Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. I have a beautiful 1902 or so arcade pile driver. Not too many people have seen this. It's one of their first toys, and it's a train toy that is not scaled to any other product by Arcade. Just simply ends up being a standalone, which is kind of shocking. I had a couple people ask me, how does it work? Well, you crank it, and then you're going to note a latch at the top is going to hit up there. You stick your finger in there. Okay, just kidding. And then you let it down. And then you end up cranking it up again. And I'll do that once again so you can see it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, of course. Helps if I've got it latched. There we go. It hooks at the bottom. 3, 2, 1, and boom. So cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Take care.